Find or read reviews that people are talking about Devoko charcoal grill. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Heavy-duty charcoal grill. Devoko barbecue grill is made of metal iron, while the whole body is wrapped in safe enamel material, sufficient high temperature resistance to ensure absolute safety when using, and at the same time effectively ensure the cooking experience and the original flavor of food. Offset smoker. The offset smoker provides additional grilling space while seamlessly integrating with the grill, and airflow is regulated by opening and closing dampers to ensure good heat circulation. High-capacity ash catcher. Smoker grill is equipped with a large capacity adjustable ash collector to regulate the temperature inside the oven. It can also be easily disassembled and cleaned after use, creating a dust-free charcoal grill space. All-around experience. The double iron grill can be used separately for smoking and wood charcoal grilling to maximize the potential of your food. Two side dividers and an additional bottom shelf are provided to maximize usage, while two rolling wheels make it easy to move the grill around. The epitome of culinary perfection. Indulge in the ultimate sensory experience as the smoky aroma of perfectly charred meats fills the air, enticing even the most discerning palates. From sizzling steaks to juicy burgers, from tender ribs to delicate seafood, our grills effortlessly transform ordinary ingredients into extraordinary culinary creations. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.